Okay, good morning all of you. Today I will discuss about the electric dipole and electric dipole moment. First of all, we discuss about the electric dipole belongs to explain the electric dipole moment. Already we know that two types of the charges, that is a positive charge, negative charge. Any two charges, for example, if a system two equal and unlike charges separated by the small distance is called as the electric dipole. All of you understand? Any two charges separated by the finite distance is called as the electric dipole moment. Dipole. Now, a representation of the electric dipole. Electric dipole consisting of the two charges. Now, the negative charges placed at A, positive charges placed at B. The line joining those two charges A and B, Now that is a origin of the two charges, that is a represented O. From A to O distance is A, and from O to B is a distance A. Now total length of the dipole is represented the length 2A, that is equal AB is equal to AB is length of the dipole. AB is length of the dipole. Length of the dipole. Length of the dipole is equal to 2A. Length of the dipole is equal to 2A. Now all of you understand that is electric dipole means. Electric dipole means if any two charges separated by the finite distance is called as the electric dipole. The electric dipole consisting of the two charges, that is a negative charges placed at A, positive charges placed at B. Now these two charges separation is the starting point is the origin. The origin is taken as O. From distance A to O, A. From distance O to B is taken as A. The total AB is the length of the dipole is equal to 2A. Now, electric dipole moment. Electric dipole moment. Electric dipole moment. These two terms are very important because of the electric dipole and electric dipole moment. Here clearly understand means same as well as the repeated in the magnetic field. At that time magnetic dipole moment. Because of the everyone clearly listen to me. There is a electric dipole moment. Electric dipole moment means the product of charge and length of the dipole. Charge and length of the dipole. Length of the dipole is called electric dipole moment. Electric dipole moment. Electric dipole moment. All of you understand the product of charge and the length of the dipole is called as the electric dipole moment. It is denoted by the P. It is denoted by the P is equal to product of charge and length of the dipole, that is the 2A. Length of the dipole 2A. It is a vector quantity. It is a vector. It is a vector quantity. It is a vector quantity. SI unit is that is equal to charge. C that is equal to a length meter, not centimeters. That is a coulomb meter. Coulomb meter. This is the electric dipole and electric dipole moment. Okay, once observe. Okay, this electric dipole and electric dipole moment using the electrical field on a axial line of an electric dipole. Means, for example, electric dipole consisting of two charges, negative charges placed at A, positive charges placed at B, placed at B. Line joining those two charges, separated distance to A, already we know that A and A. Okay. Here find the electrical field. Find the electrical field on axial line. Okay, let us consider a point P. To find the electrical field intensity at a point P. Here, for example, line joining those two charges P. Okay, this means we find out the electrical field intensity at a point B by using the electric dipole on axial line. Now here is a, for example, positive test charge. What is the mean by positive and positive? What will happen? Repulsion. That is a electrical field due to the positive charge. That is equal to E plus. Next, Q naught, positive charge. This is the negative charge. What will happen? That is a attract to each other. That is a E minus. This is the origin. Already you know that the distance from the origin to P. P is taken as small. The smaller. Next, positive charge to P is taken as the, already we know the total distance how much, that is R. Here is A is there. The remaining part R minus A. Next, from the distance A to P. That is a R plus A. Okay, we find out the electrical field intensity at point P. Now, first point, observe clearly, very important. The electric field intensity at P due to positive charge is that is equal, positive charge electrical field is how much, that is equal to plus Z equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught plus Q by, from P to Q how much distance is there, that is a R minus A whole square. Second point, okay, observe clearly, the electric field intensity this is the equation number 1. Electric field intensity at point P due to negative charge is E minus Z equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught minus Q by R plus A whole square. Why you have taken for the R plus A? From the distance from A to P. That is a R plus A. Now, net electrical, the total electric field intensity E net is equal to E plus E minus. Okay, all of you understand the total electrical field intensity E net is equal to E plus of E minus. So that is equal, E net is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R minus A whole square. Here is the plus is there, here is the minus. Plus into minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r plus a whole square. R plus a whole square. In these two terms, that is a q by 4 pi epsilon naught is the common term. So we will write q by 4 pi epsilon naught 1 by r minus a whole square minus 1 by r plus a whole square. Okay, this is the equation number 2. This is the equation number 3. Okay, rewrite the equation number 3. E net is equal to q by 4 pi epsilon naught 4 pi epsilon naught. Here is a cross multiplied r plus a whole square minus r minus a whole square by r square minus a square into whole square. Both are being multiplied. Now E net is equal to q by 4 pi epsilon naught 4 pi epsilon naught. This is the a plus b whole square. This one is the a minus b whole square. Write the a plus b whole square. R square plus a square plus 2ra minus r square plus a square minus 2ra. R square minus a square whole square. Okay, now E net is equal to q by 4 pi epsilon naught r square plus a square plus 2ra minus into plus minus r square minus into plus minus a square minus into minus plus 2ra by r square minus a square whole square. R square cancel, a square cancel. Okay, the remaining term E net is equal to q by 4 pi epsilon naught 2ra plus 2ra, that is a 4ra by r square minus a square whole square. Okay, now again rewrite the above equation. E net is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. This is the 4. I am writing the 2 into 2 qa into r by r square minus a square whole square. All of you understand? This is the 4. I am writing the 2 into 2. 2 into 2qa, remaining term is the r. Now E net is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2. Already we know that P is equal to what happened? Q into 2a. That is a 2p r by r square minus a square whole square. Okay, here compared to the r is very much greater than a, so a is neglected. E net is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2p by r power 4. A is neglected. Remaining term is how much is there? R square whole square, that is equal to r power 4. Remaining this is the r and the remaining 3 is there. So totally E net is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2p by r cube. 2p by r cube. This is the net electrical field intensity at point P. Okay. Thank you all of you. Also observe this.